name is Nate. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Limpopo Setwaba, and I'm a medical practitioner for a living.
Let's go.
What do you do on those days that you don't feel that confident or fearless or powerful like you did out there?
Pretend.
Fake it?
Yeah.
Until we make it?
I mean, why not? It's either that or cry myself to sleep. Who wants to do that?
Bring your baddest bitch out. Bring your baddest bitch out. Bring your baddest bitch.
I like men.
I'm just playing, ladies. You know I love you.
Thank fuck it's the weekend. Time to forget about all your problems. Those can wait till Monday. And whatever you do,